Today, I'm going to show you how to distort an image in Photoshop, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is a really useful technique when you want to create perspective effects, make an object look like it's receding into the distance, or just give your design a more dramatic and stylized look. And the best part is, once you learn this, you can use it on photos, graphics, mockups, and all kinds of creative projects. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open your image in Photoshop. On the right side, look at your Layers panel and click the layer you want to distort. If you see a lock icon next to the layer, that means it's locked, so click the lock to turn it into a normal editable layer. This is important because you need to be able to transform it freely before you can distort it. Now, for the safest workflow, I highly recommend converting the layer into a smart object. To do that, right-click on the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This is a really smart move because it keeps your distortion editable. That means if you change your mind later, you can go back and adjust it without ruining the original image quality. It's one of the best habits you can build when working in Photoshop. Once your layer is ready, go up to the top menu and click Edit, then Transform, and then Distort. As soon as you select it, you'll see a bounding box appear around your image with anchor points at the corners. This is where the magic happens. Unlike regular resizing, the Distort tool lets you move each corner independently, so you can warp the image into a new shape instead of just scaling it bigger or smaller. To distort the image, click and drag any of the corner handles. You'll notice each corner can move in its own direction, which gives you a lot of control. If you want the image to look like it's going into the distance, pull the top two corners inward. That creates a strong perspective effect and is perfect for making flat images look more dynamic. If you want something more dramatic, pull one side outward so the image looks stretched or skewed. This can be really useful for posters, thumbnails, advertisements, and creative composites where you want the image to feel more energetic or stylized. The key here is to move slowly and watch how the shape changes as you drag each corner. Take your time and fine-tune the distortion until it looks the way you want. You can make small adjustments, rotate your view in your mind, and think about where the image should appear to sit in space. If you're working on a realistic composition, subtle distortion usually looks better. If you're going for an artistic effect, don't be afraid to push it further. When you're happy with the result, press Enter on Windows or Return on Mac to apply the change. You can also click the checkmark in the top options bar to confirm it. And that's it. You've successfully distorted an image in Photoshop. The great thing about this method is that it opens up a lot of creative possibilities. You can use it to fit images on angled surfaces, create perspective mockups, adjust graphics for social media designs, or make your compositions feel more professional. Once you practice it a few times, it becomes second nature. If you found this Photoshop tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.